Part 6. Why this practical toolbox matters. As we wrap up this practical guide, let's anchor on a crucial, empowering idea. Embracing AI in finance does not require a massive, intimidating, top-down transformation project. You don't need to wait for a corporate initiative or a seven-figure software budget. Real, impactful adoption starts right at your desk. It begins by exploring and using the AI features already embedded in the tools you open every single day. It grows by consciously applying automation to one repetitive task and by responsibly using a generative AI assistant to draft one challenging email or summary. This is the pragmatic path. The philosophy here is the power of compounding productivity. A 15-minute time saving on a daily report, or an hour reclaimed each week from manual data cleaning, might seem small. But these small improvements, across a team and over time, compound into significant gains. This freed-up cognitive bandwidth is what allows finance teams to shift from relentless manual execution to true analysis and strategic partnership. Let's briefly recap what we've covered in this toolkit module. You've learned that AI isn't a distant future concept. It's already embedded in the everyday tools of finance, from your spreadsheet to your presentation software. You saw how Excel includes powerful, AI-powered features for forecasting and instant data insights. You discovered how Power Query can transform and automate the tedious world of data preparation. You learned how PowerPoint's AI can elevate your communication and storytelling. We explored how generative AI, like ChatGPT and Copilot, can act as a drafting and summarization assistant when used with clear guidelines. We underscored that responsible use and staunch data privacy are non-negotiable pillars of this exploration. And we looked at how specialized fintech platforms extend these capabilities into dedicated areas like financial planning and accounts receivable. The overarching message is one of immediate agency. By understanding and wisely using these practical tools, you, as a finance professional, can start to capture the benefits of AI today. No advanced technical degree required. It's about working smarter, starting now.